Hey everybody, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Kawaii Godzilla. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Kawaii Godzilla, let's begin right here with the face. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to begin by making a little circle for the eye. So I'm just going to make a little circle. I'll make a smaller circle inside of it, and I'm just going to color in this part. And I'll leave a little bit white down here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve up and then down here. Then I'll make a little line that's just going to curve down here for the nose. Make a little dot right there for the nostril. I'm going to bring this line down and I'm going to go up and down and then up like this. Put a little curve here. Then I'll make a line that comes down. And we'll go up and down and then up, and we'll go down here and kind of curve it. I'm also going to give them a little curve line for the eyebrow. Next, I'm going to bring this line down a little farther. Then I'm going to curve this line to here for his back. Then I'm going to curve this line down for his tail. I'm going to curve this around down to here. And then we'll bring this line down to about here for his stomach. For his legs, we're just going to curve a line down. And then I'll curve a line down here. We'll bring this line over and up. And I'll make a bump here and a bump here for some toes. We'll bring a line down here. We'll go down. And then I'm just going to bring this over to here. Make a curve here and a little bump here. Right here, I'm going to make this line come down and then curve up. And then a little line's going to curve up here. I'm going to make a couple little bumps right here. And then a couple little bumps here. Curve this line here, and then we'll curve it here. Then we'll make a little line down here. Right here, I'm going to make a little bump here and then a smaller one there. Then I'm going to go up and down nice and big, then up and down small again. Up and down here, and then up and down right there. Now for his blast, I'm going to make a line that comes out and a line that comes out here. Then I'll make a couple little points like this and a few points like this. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Kawaii Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.